Wild horses and honky-tonkin' bars drives a man to chase gold buckles and guitars. I don't do it for the money, I can't blame the fame. It's been a long, hard ride, still I saddle up just the same. I'm rolling right along, sky above is blue. I got the winter rolled down and I'm listening to Chris Ledoux. Half a can of caffeine running through my veins. Riding rain or shine and I'm never pulling back the reins. No, you may not see me on your TV, I'm seldom heard on your radio. But if you're looking, you might just find me somewhere between the road and the rodeo. I'm there to greet you when your life begins. You'll start your journey on your knees and hands. I offer many choices and places you can go, but you must choose, 'cause I'm just a road. I'm paved with memories, glory and regrets. I'm lined with broken dreams and cigarettes. You can take all you can hold.